Please check. Best Automation is a very outstanding company in the plastic industry. They are member of 3MPLAS industry and the Taiwan Research Association of Economic Information. We are good partner in the plastic industry. We make the plastic product and mold. Best Automation specialized in the injection molding machine and robot arm. And today, 3MPLAS, including Sando, total 12 members, we will have dinner together in Best Automation, and we will discuss the next plan, how to achieve better and development